Alright, good morning everyone. Now we are going to talk about the topic selections. This topic is very interesting for me and for us, I think, because this topic will be discussed in this classroom as your preparations for having your thesis writing. Well, now let's try to begin. Alright. Topic selection and development. Before you're conducting your research, of course, the most important thing is how to select your topic for your research. Topic is not as easy as what you think or other people think about, because topic selection contains a lot of or many considerations to take place. Well, this is how topic selection process will be conducted in our classroom actually. So topic selection process generally contains of several steps, but I try to make it simple for you. Topic selections, when you see here the the chart bar here, or we call it as pyramid here. So the pyramid here is in conversed. So this is which are the areas, the areas are too broad, meaning these are about your topics, and the topics here are too general for you, because this is too general. Therefore it is impossible for you to do your research in this area. So what we should do, sir? Well, what you are going to do is try to specify this general topic into more specific topic, right? So here we can trace here, try to narrowing down your topic from general to more specific one. Let's see how it works. Take for example, when you are interested in teaching English for your topic, you have to think that teaching English covers broad areas. Since there are many things to do in teaching English, it could be about teachers. Is it about the teacher you want to do your research? It is about the method, or you want to do something else, meaning that you want to take for example here, oh sir, I want to focus on my interest. What about the speaking difficulties, sir? Well, this is very good. This is a good idea. Comparing to teaching English in general or too general, you switch on speaking difficulties. This is the more interested thing. This is the more manageable area. This is more specific area of your research. So what about if I want to make it more specific one? Well, let's see here. Take for example, speaking difficulties encountered by students. So this is more specific than this one, speaking difficulties. What does it mean? Meaning that speaking difficulties encountered by students will make you easier in collecting the data later on. This will make you more comfortable in analyzing your data later on. This means it will give you enough time and resources, of course. Take for example money, for example. So the more specific the topic you have, the more manageable your research will be. Alright? Well, now this is, I want to make it clear for you. The more specific topic will you have, meaning that your topic will be more focused. You as the researcher also focus on your work, because specific subject matter will make you easier to share theoretical and methodological literature. Because your topic is specific, so you have good direction where to get your references, how you will search your resources. Take for example, which books written by whom, or any journal relating to your topics, and how many, take for example, weeks, months probably you want to spend for your research. And later on in the future, having more specific topic leads you to easier to get and manipulate the data, because it is certain context that the data later on will emerge from your topic area. The more specific topic, this is easier to justify, yeah. Or let's say here, take for example, the more specific topic, will give you a destinations. Oh, what data I will get. Yeah. All right. About getting the data, manipulating the data, we will talk later on in the subject, I think. Now, this is how I want to give you evidences a good topic. A good topic, actually, at least there are two reasons or two evidences what a good topic is. First of all, good topic must be specific. Okay, just now we discussed about that one. Yeah. Specific topic meaning you as the researcher will be easier for managing your topic, your data later on, your manipulating of your data, analysis of your data, and so on. Yeah. It also relates to your resources. Yeah. The more specific topics, the less money you will spend. I'm sorry, I'm talking about the money, but it is true. Well, the two is the good topic must be interesting. What does it mean, sir? Interesting. Interesting means it gives significance to the readers. It gives plenty of benefits both for theoretical and practical practices. Yeah. Take for example, when you are conducting your research on the new teaching method, I do believe new teaching method will be give benefits for the teachers, not only for the teachers, I think, but also will give a plentiful benefit for the students. Okay, any questions? If you have some question, you can address your question to the sublink I will provide later on. When you are finishing your reading resources, yeah, of course after you get the topic, you have to do something like this one. This is very important thing. Later on, when you finish, again, when you finish your reading resources, reading books, journal, try to understand about the journal, try to understand about the books. You have to write your research address, you write your research your research exposure, your research proposal, yeah, in a good way. You try to propose, you try to address research. Therefore, you have to write research proposal later on, yeah, after of course it opens in your prodi. But well, in this part I want to tell you about my experiences, that the most important thing in thesis writing or in research actually how we present our reasons, why the topic is interesting to do, why the topic is significant to do, why the topic is important to do. You tell this one why, and of course your explanation why you want to do your research, your ideas, your arguments must be based on the research reports or findings. Of course, data provided in your prodi, for example, or provided or available in school, take for example the result of UN, for example, those data are good to be cited in your introduction of your proposal. By doing this one, providing evidences from the research findings, research report, or data available in your library, for example, are very good to show that your topic is really important to do. Because when you are having no such evidences taken from this report or findings or data, then your research is not about showing, but you only tell your argument, and this is very weak. In this case, your examiners of your proposal could be reject your proposal. Therefore, the most interesting thing, the most important thing in this part is you have to show, not to tell your argument. And in the last part, on the last part of your proposal, in your introductions, you have to clarify, you have to show what actually you want to investigate in this research. You tell what your research objectives, problems, question, or take for example research aims, because this will lead you to next step of your research later on. But writing a good introductions of your research proposal will give point of view for the examiners and your readers and your supervisors that you are on the right track. Alright class, about the assignment for today, you have to log into your Edmode account and you will find there your project for today, topic selections and filling the form, how your proposal will be addressed for your research. Alright, thank you very much. Good luck.